Hi everyone, it's Angie and I hope everybody's doing well. And I'm coming on today to do a Happy Mail share. I got this Happy Mail in the mail and it's from Shelly at Crafty Cottage Dreams on YouTube. And if you do not follow her, please run over there and follow her. She is super amazing. She's very shabby chic, which I do love shabby chic. I do some of it sometimes, you'll see, but sometimes I'll add a little grunginess to it. But she has been making Halloween shabby with the shabbiness to it, and I've been admiring. I think she's just doing an amazing job. And I commented on one of her stick pins that she had made, and she wanted to send it to me. And this looks a little bit bigger than a stick pin, Shelly. I don't. I was like, what the heck? Anyways, this is her YouTube channel. And like I said, if you do not follow her, please go follow her. She is super amazing. She has lots of fun videos and shares, and she's just super fun. I think she does some tutorials on some of her items that she is showing. They're amazing. I love Shelly. She's super kind and supportive, and thank you so much, Shelly. I can't thank you enough. So I am going to pause really quick. I just opened this, but I haven't opened anything yet, but I wanted you to see it. Like, look at the confetti, you guys. Isn't that amazing? I love it. Okay, one sec. Okay, I'm back. What the heck? Look at this. If this is a stick pin the size of this box, oh my goodness. So she had this little thing on top as a little shaker altered envelope. Isn't that really cool, you guys? Look at that. I'm telling you, you need to go see her room, like her display. Oh my gosh, like her house. Like she shows little bits of her house. It's amazing. I told her I could roll around in her house all day long. Isn't that so cool? She does, like I said, she does she hasn't always done Halloween, and she started doing it. I think she's just knocking it out of the park with like her style meets Halloween. I mean, these are like rolled roses, you guys. Like these bows are cut out with dies, a spider. I mean, everything. I think actually these are Frank Garcia. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. Let me know, Shelly. But I think these are. She's got some little button here. Look at the little tight button. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, right down to the top of that, you guys. And one other thing I do like is I love Jack Skellington. I like Nightmare Before Christmas. I don't know if you guys ever watched that, but it was a movie done in the 90s. It's a Disney movie. I'm just very artistic, and I love the artisticness of it and how they filmed it and whatnot. So I've always been a fan of Nightmare Before Christmas. I grew up in a historical town that celebrates Halloween, so I love the creativity of Halloween just because I'm an artist and I admire people's creativity during that time of year. So look at this box, you guys. Isn't that amazing? Oh my gosh. This thing is heavy too. And look at that. She put Sally on there. Isn't that just adorable? I mean, this box is so beautiful. I mean, we are still in transition where we're at right now. We're still in our like summer home. We'll be here for a little bit longer. But once I have a room one day, hopefully not too down the road, I will have this displayed. I'll display it in here as well, but look at that, you guys. Isn't that pretty? Like I said, it's like shabby meets Halloween. I love it. Like, I absolutely love it. I'm very into the kind of Halloween. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. Sorry, guys. It says boo on it. I'm very into the vintage Halloween, like the kind of the creepy stuff, you guys. I know the vintage stuff. But look at this, you guys. Oh my goodness, Shelly. Oh my god. What the heck? Is this the stick pin? Because look at look at that with the little oh, it's ceramic too. Oh my gosh. I mean, seriously, this girl is all about details. This is so cute. Oh, it's like a little hidden or a little paper clip there. Let's see what she's got here. Oh my gosh, she's got a Jack in here. And a little rosette with Jack on it. That is so pretty. I love this tool. It's like kind of a splatter on there, and it's kind of foamy. Oh, and then the crepe paper on the back. Oh my gosh, Shelly. Look at the perfect bow, you guys. It is so cute. And then this one. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this. I think this is the stick pin. Oh my goodness. Look at that, you guys. Look at the little beads and the broom. It's so cute. And I'll be able to use all these little paper clips. Look. So stinking cute. Oh my gosh. I love how she sewed the crepe paper. It is so neat. see. I think this is this. Oh my gosh, it is, you guys. This is the one I was going crazy about. And she's got like some crinkle paper in here. Look at this. Is this not super amazing? Look at this like needle. This is like, I think it's a tapestry needle. It's so stinking cool. I saw one tapestry needle and I sent it to Abby to show her. It was like this. I mean, it was like, sorry guys, it was like this long. It's the longest needle I've ever seen in my life. But look at that. It has like little spooky she made, a little witch on there, and then Jack's face, a little skull and a bat. And these are all glass beads, you guys. Oh my gosh, I just love these. These are so neat. She's amazing at them. I saw Amy with AmyLove. AmyLove had one in it. Oh my gosh, I just fell in love. I was like, she has a Shelly pin too, stick pin. These are like jumbo stick pins. Isn't that just the coolest thing ever? Thank you so much. This is what I was supposed to get in the mail, you guys. And then she's got more little things in here. Oh my gosh, look at this little bow on the pumpkin. Oh my gosh, I love these rosettes. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna have to display them like on a board or something. I think this one. Yeah, look at this, you guys. Oh my god. And she's been posting like every single day all the really cool stuff. Look at the little itty bitty pom-poms in there. Oh my gosh, Shelly, you just do amazing work. Like, it's just like boutique. It's like, I could see like her having like a boutique. Oh my gosh, look at this little pumpkin. Shelly! Oh my goodness, look at the little confetti with the pumpkins in it. This is a little pumpkin with like the tulle around it and the roll. Look at all those rolled roses, you guys. Oh my gosh, and then the fabric. Oh my gosh, and I think that's a wine cork. Oh my gosh, with this cool spider on it. The glitter. Oh my gosh, look at that, you guys. Thank goodness. And it's still, oh my gosh, there's still more. Look at this. Look at the skeleton. Oh my gosh, Shelly. And I think it smells like roses or something in here too. It smells really good. Let's see this one. Oh my gosh, look at this beautiful rosette and this little, I think it's metal pumpkin. Oh, this is really neat. It's like sheer with like the spider web on the back of it. I like glitter. Some people do not. I do. I don't mind it. Look at that with a little haunted house on it. What is in here? What are these? What's happening here? Oh my gosh. These are so cute. Look at these, you guys. It's like, looks like little candies. Oh my gosh. There probably is candy in there, but I'm not going to open them. But if it's not, it's like a really cool decoration. I have to come back. Sorry. Remember these little things that I was showing in the Happy Mail? That I was like, I didn't know what it was. I thought they were candy. Well, when I was re-editing my video, I had to just like, I need to open that just to make sure that it's not candy or something else she made. So I went ahead and opened it, and you guys, I haven't opened this one yet. I opened this other one. It's these little dudes that she made, these little skeletons. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. Aren't these adorable? I absolutely love these. And they have this little hook here. So this one's a skeleton, has little legs. These are little glass beads in the head. I love these so much. They remind me of like characters from like Corpse Bride or Nightmare Before Christmas. I just love them. So I'm going to open the second one up with you guys. So I'm so sorry, Shelly. You just have everything wrapped so cute. I didn't know. Oh my gosh, here's another one with little pumpkin body. Oh my gosh, these are so cute, you guys. I absolutely love that. Look at that. I think there's a little clay piece, and then the little skeleton head and the pumpkin body and the little chain work. Oh my gosh, these are so stinking cute. I am so glad I was like, when I was editing, I was like, I need to go back and make sure. Just make sure. And if it is candy or whatever, I'll wrap them up really well. Anyway, oh my gosh, look at these candies. Look at the eyeballs in there and the stickers. Oh my gosh, look at the top of the rosette with the bones in there. Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. What a great idea. I love the chocolate eyeballs too. Okay, let me just move this forward. There's more in here. What the heck? Oh my gosh, there's a pen and little skulls. Oh my gosh. There's more, you guys. Oh my gosh, this confetti is adorable, and it has Jack in it. Look at little Jack Skellington's face. And there's like pumpkins in here. And there's little ring or little bat rings. Oh my gosh, she made it. It's like all the confetti for it. Look at, isn't that amazing? And I think there's some more on the bottom, but let's look at this. These are super cute. I think they light up. I'm not sure. Oh, they do. I think they do. We'll have to play with it later, but oh my gosh, look at these. They're so cute just to add like a filler. Those are so cool. Oh my gosh, and she put confetti in here too. Like, it's sprinkled everywhere. And this is like a pen, or like a Halloween pen. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, Shelly, this is so cool. I absolutely will be using this. That is so awesome. I love it. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. She's been on the hunt for like the coolest little Halloween stuff. Like, look at this. She shared so much of her stuff that I would hoard. So generous. Thank you. Oh my gosh. It's like little tiny little pieces of confetti. Oh, look at this little bat. Oh my gosh, I gotta make sure I get everything back in there because I do not want to lose anything. And I think there's more down here, you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, there is. Okay, I don't want to lose any of this confetti, so I'm going to put this right down here. Yes, I am going to hoard that stuff. You didn't have to? Oh my gosh. I'm going to go hang this on my door handle. You guys. One second, you guys. Hopefully that didn't jitter too much. I wish I'd have caught that earlier. Anyways, look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this crystal stuff on here. I think I know what that is, but I forgot. But it's so cool. I should put it on there. It's like really textured, and I love that. And a little bow and a bat. Look at this. It's like, what do you call those? I haven't done like the shabby tassel. Tassel. There you go. This really cool tassel hanging down from there. Oh my goodness, girl. I'm going to go put this on my door. And look at these really cool stickers. Those are awesome. I really, really like those. Yay, we hit the bottom. I was like, oh my gosh, Shelly, thank you so much. I cannot believe how much stuff you packed in there. This was so sweet of you. Thank you so much for being so generous. Like I said, I admired all your things that you've been making. Every single day you post something so stinking cute. And I couldn't be more grateful. Like I said, I love everything, but this is amazing. I absolutely love how you did this. It is so stinking cute. Again, thank you so much, Shelly. And again, if you do not follow her, please head over there. She is really, really sweet and super amazing. She's Crafty Cottage Dreams on YouTube. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.